Morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. So we're gonna do the Flawless 4, and this is my first time trying it. It's the monthly Kudos for Younique. In the month of September, you get 4 products. It's $68, 30% savings, and let's get started. So in the Kudos, you get the Moonstruck Brow Obsession Palette. I got it in the shade brunette because I'm more of like, I feel like I'm more brunette than blonde, even though I act blonde sometimes. But like this is all dyed. I've always been like a dirty blonde, so I call it brunette. So this is a wax. You have 2 different shadows, and then these are highlights, and they're kind of like a cream base. So I have not used this yet. But I did stick my finger in them, so don't think I've used it yet. So you can see it comes off like cream. So that will go right under your brow to kind of give it that pop. With the Kudos, you also get 2 options for the pencil or the brush. So I got the spoolie with the flat, the angled brush. The other option is 2 flat ends. I felt like I needed the spoolie more than anything else, and I always love a good spoolie. You also get an epic mascara of your choice, so they do have the black, the brown, and the waterproof. So I have the waterproof. Haven't used it yet. And I stepped out of my little comfort zone with the eyeliner. So this is the Moonstruck Precision Liner in gold. So I was on Pinterest and they did under the waterline as gold, and it really brought made their eye open up, kind of like the white would do, a white or any light nudes. So I was like, for the fall coming up, I think gold would be kind of fun. So I'm gonna take a sip of my tea. And let's get started. So I was watching a couple people do it with the kit, the Flawless 4. And what she did is she took a little bit of the wax, and let's start with this powder. A little bit of the powder. Oh, look at that line. And don't judge me, I need to get my brows waxed or something shaped. My eyebrows don't grow since I decided to pluck them to living hell when I was younger. So they don't grow back anymore. Damn, just a little bit. So we'll do one eye and then we'll do the other one. A little bit more of the powder. I'm trying to make this real though. Over here, like my cat ears. It's coming around Halloween time. I'm a white girl, so I'm always at Target in the dollar section. So let's just do one eye and we'll do the other. I'm gonna use this little e.l.f. brush to do the highlight underneath. I could use this end, but I would prefer not. So kind of like carves it out a little bit and gives a little more highlight. It also helps you fix your eyeshadow if you went a little too high. And then we'll do mascara. So instead of going right on my waterline, I'm going underneath. And it's gold, so it's not gonna be like doing a harsh brown line or a harsh black line, but this is pretty cool as I broke it pretty good. Can you see the gold? Yeah, you can see it. Bad lighting, but you can see it. So we go from, like, look at the difference with mascara and brows. Like, that's crazy. Dead, alive, dead, alive. Sorry, delusional. This tea is so good. The organic pomegranate white tea from Trader Joe's. Pretty bomb. So, okay, so one done. Let's do the other one really quick. Let's see if I can actually do this in a timely manner. I should probably try the darker shade out here and then the lighter shade, but this is my first time. I've never used this product. So if I can get that and never using it before, you guys can do it too. And the goal is to make these eyebrows sisters and not twins. And I said it, this comes in three shades. I didn't mean to blind anybody. 3 of these. So there's a blonde, a brunette, and a black. I think it's black. Give everybody an option. It also, with having the lighter color, if you're like a strawberry blonde, it says that you can get that shade too. The options. So you get the 4 products, and they're the precision pencil. I can't remember, but there's like white, there's blue, there's brown, there's black, there's nude, I think. So there's quite a few colors. And I don't know, I just stuck my spoolie in. Whoopsie. Always under promise and over deliver. I can't decide which eyebrow I like better. Do I like the draggy one a little bit better? Okay guys, right or left? Like if this is my right, this is my left, which is the better eyebrow? I feel like this one's more like, I'm going out. I'm trying to make this one look a little more draggy, but it ain't gonna happen. Not until I get my brows shaped. The end. Like, when you do your brows. This I did learn from Ulta when I got my brows shaped by the Benefit girls. This should go to the Alna. It's A-L-A. Ala, and then the corner of your eye, and then up. So I'm a little over on, no, sorry, right there. So that is supposed to be where your point is, and then your eye should be about that. So that should come in a little bit more. This one is there. I feel like that's a little too narrow. And that's pretty good there. So we're close. Once again, first time using it. Highlight underneath. I can do mascara with my mouth closed. This I cannot. It's like, hi. if you drop it, you still don't break it. So yes, 5 parts, wax, 2 shadows. I used the dark one today, but you can always do like a variation of mixing the two, do the front as the light and then the dark. And these are kind of like a cream highlight. I think they say there's shadow in the like in the product information, but if you like, it comes off like it's creamy. It's creamy. Ooh. Maybe for a nose highlight. Now I'm using the other highlight for everywhere else. So I like a little cream. A little creamy highlight. So just because you have a palette that's for your brows doesn't mean you can't use it other places. Okay, so that's the finished look. First time, I feel like my lighting is totally changed. So, finished look, all done, ready for the day, time to slay. So, once again, this is the Flawless 4. I call it the Fabulous 4 because why not? Your palette, pencil of your choice. Oh goodness. Mascara of your choice. There's brown. Hey Jess. There's brown, there's black, and then there's the waterproof black, and then the precision pencil eyeliner of your choice, a color. If you're trying to give yourself a more open look for colors that are a little less more brightening, so whites, nudes. If you have dark brown eyes, that's gonna help give you that more open look, less sleepy. So have a great one, guys. Bye.